Have you ever wondered why some friendships fade into silence, like ghosts slipping through your fingers? What if I told you there's a hidden force that can bring them back to life? A secret so powerful it's been guarded for centuries. You weren't supposed to find this, but tonight, I'm going to share it with you. The figure steps into the flickering light, an elderly mentor with wise, piercing eyes, holding the orb that now glows brighter. I'm here to guide you through a forbidden practice, a meditation that heals the invisible wounds of friendship. For those of you who felt the ache of lost connection, who carry the weight of unspoken words, this is for you. You're about to step into a truth the world doesn't want you to know. Friendship isn't just a bond, it's a sacred energy that shapes your soul. But time, pain, and secrets can break it. I've seen it. Friends drifting apart, hearts growing heavy with regret. At your age, you know this too well. Maybe it's a friend you haven't spoken to in years, or one you see every day but feel miles apart from. The pain is real, but so is the power to heal it. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Memories. This is the 6 Healing Friendship Meditation, a journey through 6 sacred steps to mend, restore, and awaken the love that once burned bright. Each step is a key, unlocking a piece of your heart you thought was lost forever. You're not just listening to a story, you're awakening to a truth that can change your life. Are you ready to step into the unknown? To face the hidden forces that have kept your friendships in shadow? Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let me guide you. This is no ordinary meditation. This is a revolution of the heart. Step 1. Reflection. Picture a friend, someone you cherish, someone you've lost, or someone you long to understand. See their face in your mind. Feel the warmth of their laughter, the sting of their absence. Don't shy away from the pain. Let it rise. This is where healing begins. As you breathe deeply, let your heart open to every memory. The joy, the hurt, the silence. Imagine a golden light, soft and warm, surrounding these memories. This light is not just light, it's the energy of truth, the energy of love. Let it hold you as you sit with these feelings. Why do friendships break? Sometimes it's a word left unsaid, a misunderstanding that grew too heavy. Other times, it's life, distance, time, or pride. But the truth is, the bond never truly dies. It waits, like a seed beneath the earth, for the right moment to bloom again. This meditation will take you deeper than you've ever gone before. You'll face the shadows, but you'll also find the light. And when you do, you'll understand why this practice has been kept secret. It's too powerful for the unprepared. Breathe in deeply now. Feel the golden light enter through your heart, filling every corner of your being. With each exhale, release the weight of guilt, anger, or fear. You're not just healing a friendship, you're healing yourself. This is only the beginning. 5 more steps await, each one a deeper dive into the soul of friendship. You're ready for this, even if you don't know it yet. Let's begin the journey together. You've taken the first step, reflection. You've faced the truth of your friendships, the joy and the pain. Now, we move to the second step, forgiveness. This is where the real transformation begins, where you release the chains that bind your heart. Picture that friend again, the one you thought of in the first step. Maybe they hurt you, betrayed you, or simply drifted away. Maybe you feel you failed them. Whatever it is, hold that moment in your mind. Don't push it away. Let it breathe. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of the past. Imagine that golden light flowing from your heart to theirs, carrying your forgiveness. It's not a gift to them, it's a gift to yourself. Breathe in the light, and as you exhale, let go of the resentment, the guilt, the what-ifs. Feel the light dissolve these burdens, leaving only love behind. This is no ordinary act. This is a sacred release, a secret the world doesn't teach. You might think forgiveness is impossible, that the hurt runs too deep. But let me tell you something they don't want you to know. Your heart is stronger than the pain. The golden light is the key to unlocking that strength. With every breath, the light grows brighter, stronger. It's not just in you, it's in the space between you and your friend. It's the energy that binds souls together, no matter how far apart you are. Forgiveness is the bridge to healing. It's not easy, but it's the only way to move forward. Feel the light guiding you, showing you the path. You're not alone in this. The universe itself is with you. You're ready for the next step, seeker. The journey is about to get deeper. Stay with me. You've reflected. You've forgiven. Now, the third step, connection. This is where you rebuild the invisible thread that ties your soul to your friends. This is where the magic happens. Close your eyes. Picture your friend's face again. See their smile, their eyes, the way they used to make you feel alive. Now imagine a golden thread of light stretching from your heart to theirs, no matter how far away they are. With each breath, send love, kindness, and understanding through this thread. Feel the connection growing stronger, warmer, more real. This isn't just imagination, it's a hidden force, a sacred energy that defies time and space. The world will tell you that friendships fade, that distance or time can break them. But the truth is, the bond is eternal. The golden light is the proof. It's the secret they've kept from you, but you're uncovering it now. Breathe deeply. Let the light flow through the thread, carrying your heart to your friend. Feel their presence, their warmth, their soul. You're not just reaching out, you're weaving your spirits together again. This connection is stronger than you know. It's the force that holds the universe together. You're tapping into it now, and it's changing everything. 3 steps down, 3 to go. You're stronger than you realize. Let's keep going. Welcome to the 4th step. Gratitude. You've reflected, forgiven, and connected. Now, it's time to honor the gift of your friendship with a thankful heart. Think of your friend. Picture the moments that made you laugh, cry, or feel alive. The late-night talks, the shared dreams, the quiet comfort of their presence. Let gratitude fill your heart like the golden light fills your body. Breathe in deeply. With each inhale, feel gratitude for every moment you've shared with your friend. With each exhale, send that gratitude through the golden thread, letting them feel your love. The world doesn't teach us to be grateful for what we have until it's gone. But you know better now. You know the secret. Gratitude is the fuel of healing. It's the light that keeps friendships alive. Feel the light growing stronger, warmer, as you give thanks for your friend. For their laughter, their wisdom, their flaws. For the way they've shaped your life. This is the power of gratitude. It transforms pain into love. You're not just saying thank you. You're awakening a force that binds you together forever. The golden light is that force, and it's yours to wield. 2 steps remain. You're ready to renew the bond. Stay with me. You've reached the 5th step, renewal. You've reflected, forgiven, connected, and given thanks. Now, it's time to breathe new life into your friendship, to make it stronger than ever. Close your eyes. See your friend standing before you, bathed in golden light. Imagine your friendship reborn, fresh, vibrant, free of the past. Picture the moments you'll share, the laughter, the love. With each breath, send the golden light into your friendship, renewing the bond. Feel it grow stronger, brighter, more alive. This isn't just a dream, it's a sacred act, a hidden truth you're bringing to life. The world may tell you it's too late, that friendships can't be saved. But the golden light says otherwise. It's the secret they don't want you to know. Renewal is always possible. Breathe deeply. Let the light fill your friendship with new energy, new hope. Feel the past fade away, replaced by a bond that's stronger than ever. You're not just healing, you're creating. One final step awaits. You're ready to unite your souls. Let's finish this journey. You've arrived at the 6th step. Unity. You've reflected, forgiven, connected, given thanks, and renewed. Now, you and your friend become one in the golden light, forever bound by love. Picture your friend beside you. See your hearts joined by the golden thread, now a blazing river of light. Feel the unity, the unbreakable bond that transcends time, distance, and pain. Breathe in deeply. Let the golden light seal your friendship, making it eternal. With each exhale, release any lingering doubts. You are one with your friend, connected by a force the world cannot break. This is the secret they hid from you. Friendship is not just love, it's a divine force. The golden light is its essence, and you've unlocked it. Your friendships will never be the same. You've changed. You've healed. You've awakened. Now, share this meditation with your friends, your family, the world. Let the golden light spread, and watch it transform lives. Subscribe, share, and bring this secret to those who need it. The golden light is in you now. Let it shine.